Gentlemen, friends and family, welcome to SM City Molino's Christmas Unveiling. My name is Dwayne Woolley and I will be your host for this evening. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Isa po akong Australiano na may pusong Pinoy, so hindi tayo mahirapan dito pagdating sa Tagalog, okay?
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Nandito po ako ngayon sa SM Molino. Ayan, kasama ko ang diwata kong asawa na si Shanta. Ngayong araw po, mag-host po ako ng isang Christmas Unveiling. Ito ang i-unveil natin mamaya. Isa siyang fantasy gazebo. Ayan, excited ka na ba, bebe? Alright, ladies and gents, let's get this show on the road.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me.
Hello! Pupunta po tayo ngayon sa Bacoor, Cavite!
Oh baby, wherever you
Kamusta po yung biyahe papuntang Bacoor sa point to point 5?
Okay lang.
Uy, may foreigner pa!
wanna walk you down the aisle.
Hello! Nandito na kami sa office ng SM. At saka merong special guest dito, si Santa Claus!
Yeah.
Para silang maputi, pero para silang Tagalog. Santa Claus! Hello! Hi! Hi! Ang cute niya, no? Kasing tangkad kami ni Alonzo.
Who's there?
Kangkong garlic mushroom potato.
Kangkong garlic mushroom potato who?
New York! Kangkong garlic mushroom potato.
Knock knock. Isabaw mo sa kanin ang ihi ng kambing.
Isabaw mo sa kanin ang
Ihi ng kambing.
ihi ng kambing.
Isabaw mo sa kanin ang ihi ng kambing.
Friends and family, welcome to SM City Molino's Christmas Unveiling. My name is Dwayne Woolley and I will be your host for this evening. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Isa po akong Australiano na may pusong Pinoy, so hindi tayo mahirapan dito pagdating sa Tagalog, okay? Tagalog-English tayo ngayon. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a very exciting presentation for you this evening. Here behind me in this curtain, sa loob ng curtain na to ay isang napakagandang display, isang napakagandang Christmas display which we will reveal mamaya. So I have one question for you all. Excited na ba kayo? Yes, all right, that's what I want to hear. Because we're all excited, we're going to jump straight into this program this evening. To put us into the Christmas spirit this evening with an opening Christmas speech by a very important person here this evening. May we all invite Mr. Joseph B. Portasuelo, the mall manager of SM City Molino, for the Christmas message. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, please.
Good evening, everyone. To our most loved Mayor of Bacoor, Mayor Lani Rubilla. Good evening. Filled with love and joy. Maraming salamat po. Good evening.
Thank you, Mr. Joseph, for that wonderful message. We can truly feel the spirit of Christmas. As Mr. Joseph mentioned earlier, Christmas is all about giving. It is the season of giving to the less fortunate. It doesn't have to be a gift, it can be through love, it could be through happiness. One way, Mr. Joseph mentioned, we can share our blessings this Christmas season is through the project of SM Cares, which they have every Christmas season. I'd like to invite to the stage now another very special guest this evening, okay? Lalo na dito sa lugar na to, the Honorable Mayor Lani Mercado Revilla. Palakpakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much to all the SM City employees, of course to our fantastic host na nagulat ako nagtatagalog, Mr. Dwayne Woolley. Sabihin natin sa ating katabi, kaliwat kanan, habang may buhay, may pag-asa.
Habang may buhay, may pag-asa.
Okay, salamat.
Isa pang round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Mayor Lani. Maraming salamat sa magandang mensaheng yun. Friends and family, it's time we move on to the highlight of the evening. Are you excited to see what's behind this curtain? Yeah? Parang hindi eh. I said, are you excited to see what's behind the curtain? That's more like it. This is a fantasy gazebo. Ano kaya ang itsura ng isang fantasy gazebo? That's what we're about to find out right now. So I'd like to invite to our magic music box with our magical key and the Honorable Mayor Lani Mercado Revilla, ladies and gentlemen. They can make their way here to our magical music box with our magical key. I want everyone here to pay very close attention, okay? Because this magical music box is going to unlock and reveal the fantasy gazebo. When they turn the key, the fantasy gazebo will be revealed. All right, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, turn that key! Oh, big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen!
Ito man, baby.
Amazing! A round of applause as well for our aerial dancers. Wow, incredible! And of course, our friends, the elves, the elven dancers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ang ganda ng performance, ang ganda ng presentation natin ngayong gabi. Ayan, umuulan na ng confetti. I have a very special guest for you all this evening. Okay, he is an amazing singer. And he's only very young, much younger than me, okay? He's gonna make this event even more fun with his fabulous voice and his fabulous performance. Let's please all welcome a big round of applause for the adorable Alonzo Mulach.
SM Molino! Christmas na! All of the other reindeer, these are like holidays. They never let poor Rudolph play any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, you're not so bright. Won't you get my sleigh tonight?
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the adorable Alonzo Mulach. Why do you wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Alonzo?
I hope you have a fun day in Christmas. God bless for all of you. Thank you for being here po. Merry Christmas dun rin po. Hello po. Hi to Mayor Lani.
Mayor Lani, yes, sure, she's right
Hi,
there.
Mayor Lani.
Oh, isn't that adorable, ladies and gentlemen? Palakpakan po natin. Alonzo, what do you plan to do this Christmas? Do you have plans for Christmas?
Just stay in the house.
Just stay in the house.
Have a fun time.
Have a fun time with your family, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's how Christmas should be. Because I hear you have a friend with you, is that right? Apparently he's a very big friend with white hair, is that right? And a big long white beard? Yeah? Why don't we call him out to the stage right now?
Sure.
Alonzo, do you want to lead us in the countdown? We'll count down from 5, 4, 3, 2 to 1, and then our friend will come out to the stage. All right, you ready? Okay. You ready, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, you excited to see our friend? Yes, I am too. All right. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here he comes! Santa Claus, ladies and gentlemen, he is here! Merry Christmas, everybody!
Merry Christmas, everyone. Really fantastic time of year.
Very fantastic time of year, and a very busy time of year for you, Santa.
Oh.
Thank you all so much once again for joining us tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been my honor to host this Christmas unveiling for you this evening. We have a wonderful display. You can feel free to come out and have a look up close. This has been Dwayne Woolley, your host for this evening, isang Australiano na may pusong Pinoy. Merry SM Christmas, everyone!
Ask everyone to proceed.
Hi, Maila. Thank you. Tama ba yung ilaw dito? Papa! Yeah!
fam.
So,
Pwede din, pwede.
tumakbo.
And that was the Christmas unveiling dito sa SM Molino. Kain muna tayo, Shanta. Kain muna ng
Maraming salamat
Max's.
sa mga nag-picture, tsaka nag-thank sa amin.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got
Shout out po namin si Cassie Elizon. Maraming salamat sa panunood sa mga karagohan namin ni Shanta. Shout out po namin ang isa sa mga Twanta fam na si Pauline Kabatsan. Salamat po.
how wonderful you are, and I really, really wanna take you home to mama.